Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this set of 100 clear 5-inch by 11-inch long self-seal cellophane bags is my choice when I want to give gifts of either crafts or even food gifts. The quality is excellent. And I love that the bags are clear, so you can easily see the gift in the bag. And it's so versatile for my crafts. I can put my cards in there. I can use them with food gifts like hot chocolate bombs or even cookies. And it just makes my gift look so professional. And the fact that it's resealable is excellent too. In case I forgot to put something in it, these cellophane bags are a must have in my craft room and in my kitchen. I love to use them to give gifts to my friends and family, and that's my point of view.